Hello, my name is Janie Allen, and welcome to the June National Safety Celebration Communication. My safety commitment is I'll use a handrail while going up and down the stairs. Today our agenda will be near miss, what's new in CHIPS, and then June Safety Celebration. Today I'd like to talk to you about parking lot safety. I'd like to share an incident that happened at another OEM. This safety incident took place April the 7th, 2015. Pedestrian team member A exited the sidewalk and took a direct walk path to the white hatched line area to proceed to their vehicle. Team member B was driving east into the parking lot from the main access road to find an open spot to park their vehicle. Driver team member B turned left north into the no driving area. While turning, team member B vehicle struck pedestrian team member A and knocked the team member to the ground. Team member B vehicle continued to drive over team member A's legs with the driver's side front tire and stopped before the rear tires made contact with legs. Always keep safety first and be aware of your surroundings. Next, I'd like to talk to you about the bonus program. CHIPS. CHIPS stands for C, no cell phone while walking, H, no hands in pockets while walking, I, cross at designated intersections only, and then P, point and call at intersections, and S, use the stair handrail. Starting this year, P, point and call at intersections, will be added to the bonus program. Multiple daily audits will take place to measure good and no good conditions. CHIPS, when and where do we use them? Turnstile to turnstile. While we want to act safely inside and outside the plant, we want everyone on the property to focus on following our CHIPS safe behaviors while at work. This turnstile to turnstile approach will keep us safe while working, taking breaks and performing our daily activities. Following CHIPS not only impacts your safety, it will now begin to impact the KPI bonus. Beginning this year, you can earn up to 2% KPI bonus amount by successfully meeting stop, look, and point compliance targets. Auditors will monitor team members' compliance throughout the plant. On all shifts and during production and non-production times, remember there's not a time or location inside the plant when CHIPS does not apply. Next, I'd like to talk to you about CHIPS, stop, look, and point. We discussed audit, measure, and report CHIPS because it helps us work safer. Our own data shows that 1 in 5 accidents are behavior related. The more we strive to improve our behavior, the less risk we face in our jobs. Including the audit scores in your KPI bonus, you have more control of your bonus amount. You will now be eligible for 2% in safety, 2% in quality, and 2% in cost with no impact to your overall attendance KPI. In the coming weeks, we will have additional communications about this year's KPI bonus changes and the targets. Now I would like to give you the May results. As you can see, cell phone, we had 99% compliance. Intersection, we had 99% compliance. And then our point, we had 90%. As you can see, we still have some work to do at the stop, point, and call before crossing into the intersections. Next, I'd like to talk to you about our CHIPS floor signs. Visual controls are vital to our system and our safety environment. Based on visibility at intersections, some are marked with stop or yield signs. Both signs have the same objective. Make sure you check for traffic before proceeding into the intersection. Stop means to come to complete stop before entering intersection. Yield means to come to a pause at the intersection. Complete stop not required. For auditing purposes only, the intersections marked with stop signs will be included in the KPI calculation. A successful audit is one which the pedestrian comes to a full stop, points and checks left and right, then points in their intended direction before proceeding into the intersection. Now I will show you a demonstration. Point to your left, point to your right, and then point toward the path that you're about ready to proceed. Next, I'd like to go over what we've talked about. In a nutshell, here are the key points to keep in mind about the safety portion of the KPI bonus program. If you see a stop sign on the floor, stop completely. Look and point both ways, move your head left, move your head right, and then point in the direction of the travel. Help remind others politely. By doing this, we will meet our company expectations and audit standards. Next, I'd like to talk about our June Safety Celebration Kickoff with the theme of Keep Your Head in the Game. Week 1, Baby Ruth candy bars will be handed out, kids video display will be shown, kid pictures will go up in the main aisle, and then kickoff for Finding the Gnome will start with winners receiving a $5 gift certificate. Week 2, cookies will be given out during safety presentations. The cookie represents the first bite taken out is 20% behavior-related injuries. These can be avoided if we all have to keep our head in the game to reduce safety incidents. Week 3, summer safety presentations, video, and Family Feud games will be offered. Sunglasses will be given away for Holiday World. Finding the Gnome will continue for a $5 gift certificate. Shoe program will be added incentive, and the Safety Kids video will be shared. Week 4 will be our Wellness Week. Monday, explanations of challenges at the turnstiles. Tuesday through Thursday, we'll have the walk-run challenge. Wednesday, Humana-Go Day, prizes for the highest scores. And then Friday, fitness class held at the track. And then Find the Gnome, $5 gift card, healthy habits, healthy game day food. And then remember, safety first, buckle up always, and keep your head in the game. Now I'll open it up to questions, and then I'll close out my presentation. Thank you.